Okay. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Almi Hekmat. I am 27 years old and I live in Linomat Jones, Isabela, Philippines. And I am happily married and blessed with one child. She's now 5 years old. And my father now is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I have only one sister and I am the eldest daughter of the family. I love playing with my kids when I have more time and sometimes I can read novels and then clean the house.
Okay.
I
How
work
many brother sister you have?
only one sir,
You have only
one
one brother,
sister,
one sister. How old your sister?
23.
Okay. So you're from Isabela, right?
Yes, sir.
How many hours by bus to Manila?
It took 6 to 7, but if have a traffic, it took 8 hours.
I see. So tell me about your education level.
Um, my highest education is high school graduate, but I entered college and I took business administration and I took it for 3 years.
Okay, that's fine. So what is your height and weight?
My weight is 46 and my height is 5 flat.
5 feet plus.
5 flat 149 centimeters, 150 centimeters.
Then that's not 5 feet. That's only 4 feet 11. Okay.
For okay, sir.
Okay. And so you told me that you worked in Hong Kong before, but you did not finish the contract. Tell me more about this job.
I work in Hong Kong when I wake up in the morning. Of course, I tidy up myself. I tidy up
Where
my
did you
room,
work?
sir.
Where did you work?
Kowloon Tong.
Okay. Then are you the only helper there?
Yes, sir.
How many children?
Two, sir.
How old?
4 years old and 8 years old.
All right. Uh, so you can describe your daily work there.
Pardon, sir.
Tell me about your everyday work there from morning up to evening.
In the morning when I wake up, I tidy up myself first and then my room, and then I go to kitchen, prepare the breakfast for the two kids because it's separate, and then prepare the lunch for the eldest brother and for sir going to work. And after that, I wake up the two kids and then help them to eat and then wash their face and then prepare their clothes going to school. And then we send them in the school bus, and then we come back in the house and then take the younger brother and then take to the school bus again, and then after that I come back to the house and then clean the house. After I clean the house, sometimes I go to market when madam say it, and then when I come back, I will prepare lunch for the younger brother. And then after I prepare the lunch, I will get the younger brother from the kindergarten and then come back home and then help to eat the lunch. And sometimes my madam help him to do the activities. And after that, we go again to the extra activities like English activities, music activities. And then after that, after the activities, we come back home. And then I help the kids to do the some activities from school. And then after that, we wait for Coco to come back home. And then I get him in the bus stop. After I get him, I let him rest first and then help the two kids to take a shower. And then I will prepare dinner for them. And after that, sir will come back and then I will get the things and then sometimes wash the clothes so that, and then I will serve the dinner. After the dinner, I will help the kids wash again their face. Then they will go to bed. After they will go to bed, sometimes I give them milk to drink. And after that, I will wash the dishes. After I wash the dishes, I tidy up, simple tidy up in the house. And after that, when the kids is sleeping, I will tell my employer if I am okay, it's okay, I am going to sleep. And then if they say okay, and then I will check the lights, the door, the window, if already locked. That's
Okay, so that means you also cook in the house.
yes, sir.
What kind of Chinese food you can cook?
The kids love to eat the steamed fish, stir fry meat with vegetables, sometimes the braised food, and then I braised meat or braised chicken, like that, sir.
Hmm.
Stir fry.
Okay, that's fine. So you told me you only worked for 7 months there. What happened?
For 9 months. That time my daughter no one is take care for her because my mother is already in abroad that time, and my husband self accident in the motorcycle. He the crack have a fracture in his hand, butt, and in his face. That's why I really need to come back here in the Philippines because no one is take care of my daughter. But we do agree for my employer and me that my situation, they understand. If they are also in my situation, they will do the same.
All right. You told me that you are in a goodwill or happy ending that you came home, and then the employer is willing to give you the employer gave you a reference letter, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can provide us the reference letter as well as the contact number of your employer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please send me your employer's number so that we can do a credit check on you. Okay,
Yes, yes, sir.
okay. And so after you went home, before you went went to Hong Kong as a domestic helper, you worked 2 years domestic helper in Philippines.
Yes, sir. But not it's my cousin friends,
Okay, it doesn't matter.
co-workers.
It doesn't matter. So for that one, you stay in or stay out.
For Saturday I go home because it's near in my home.
Okay, how many kids you took care?
Only one, only two baby girls.
Two baby girls.
2 years, 2 years old baby girls.
Only one 2-year-old baby girl.
Yes, sir.
Hmm, I'm sure you can handle that. Okay,
Because I handle my own daughter, sir.
I understand that. So after uh, you went back to Philippines, you just stay home, housewife.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now your husband doing all right,
Yeah, she's all right, sir. He will stay in the house.
and you told me your mother also already back to Philippines.
Yes, sir. She's ex abroad from Lebanon and Malaysia.
So is she the one to take care of your child if you work abroad?
Yes, sir. My mother and my husband.
Mm. Can you take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
How to take good care of a newborn baby?
Take care of newborn baby is so precious because all their skin, all their food they're going to eat is you need to be careful. You really need to be careful everything
Okay.
because they are gentle.
How do you know a baby has a fever? And if it has a
Of
fever,
course,
what should you do?
I will do if the baby is a fever. Of course, I will check the thermometer. And then after I check the thermometer, if it's 37 degrees Celsius, Of course, I will search for the medicine. Then I will tell to my employer, Madam and Sir, that she is or he is fever, of course. And then I will confirm them of what medicine I will give to the baby. Or sometimes I will also do myself. I will do the towel and then make it wet and then gently like this to the baby.
Okay, sing a song to baby.
Sir,
Sing a nursery rhyme to baby. Sing a song.
pardon. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So many. Like, blah, blah, black sheep, have you any food? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the day. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Blah, blah, black sheep, have you any food? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Like
Okay,
that.
good. Uh, so if you take care young kids in Hong Kong, what can you teach them?
I teach them sometimes the mathematics, math, the class, times, like that. And then sometimes in English, but not all because some of them is Cantonese and in translate in Chinese. And my female madam is also on in the house. That's why
Oh,
I really need to teach them.
okay. How would you describe yourself? What kind of person you are?
I am a jolly person and happy. I will also bring happiness to the family, and I am a dedicated person in terms of my job or in my work. I will secure myself that I really understand what my employer said to me or what others say to me before I will do it and really understand it.
All right. And so, why do you want to work in Hong Kong now? Again,
Because Hong Kong is full of opportunity for us, and I really need to provide the needs of my family and the future of my daughter.
how many years you want to stay in Hong Kong?
As long as the employer wants me or needs me, I will also stay in Hong Kong. As long as the opportunity give me, chance give me.
So, would there be another case that your child gets sick, your husband or accident or whatever, and then you break up the contract and go home again?
Yes, sir, because my mother is already there,
What
and
do you
also
mean
my
by
sister.
yes? I'm asking, will you break the contract if something like that happen again?
No, sir.
So you will finish the contract.
I will finish my contract, sir. I will promise.
Did you borrow money in Hong Kong, make a loan before you go home?
No, sir.
Will you do it in the future?
Sir?
Will you make a loan in Hong Kong in the future?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Are you sure you will make a loan?
Yes. What,
Do you
sir?
understand the question? I say,
Pardon,
will
sir.
you make a loan outside? You know, when you are working in Hong Kong.
I
You don't
pardon, sir.
understand the question? The question is like some girl, when they're going home, they make loans from the finance company. Actually, it make the quite troublesome for the employer. That's what I mean. Did you make loan in Hong Kong before?
No, sir. I didn't. My employer told me he don't like it. If you need money, you borrow to me. My employer told
Well,
me that.
that should be the way. Well, but you better listen carefully to the question. Don't just say yes or no without knowing what I'm asking.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
How many children you can take care?
In Hong Kong, sir.
Yes.
2.
What age group you can take care?
Um, Also newborn under 15 years old, like that.
Hmm. Okay. Well, I take this video only because you say you can provide the reference letter and telephone number of your ex-employer, and we will check on it. If something wrong
Yes,
with
sir.
it, we will not, recommend you to future employer because we are very responsible. You understand?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay, give a message to your future employer.
To my future employer, please do hire me as your domestic helper, and I will promise to do my job and responsibility properly, and I will promise to finish my contract, and I will bring joy and happiness to your family. Thank you.
Okay, by the way, you have any tattoo on your body?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Uh, what's your name?
Almay Hekmat, sir.
Okay, wait, I need to take a look on your reference number. Let me see what reference number you have for me. Okay. Uh, okay. TW 2296，我俾個 rating
嗯
咧係A 加嘅。佢咧我當佢係誒 local 又加7、8個月嘅香港嘅經驗。通常咧我唔會recommend 啲斷約嘅工人。不過佢呢個特別啲，因為當時佢話冇人湊個女，個老公又有 accident，所以佢同個僱主同意嘅情況底下咧，就翻去。咁佢亦都話佢有前僱主嘅 reference letter 加埋個電話號碼，我哋 check。咁當然我哋會 check 啦。咁如果 check 過冇問題嘅咧，呢條片就會即係 upload。如果有問題嘅，我哋都一樣會 delete。咁但係無論點啦，亦都可以從另一個角度就係、即係每個人都可以有第二次機會嘅。佢其他樣樣條件都非常之唔錯，年紀輕有細路5歲，佢英文講得非常之好，即係應對係非常之好。咁如果佢冇香港嘅經驗，我都係會俾 A 加嘅。咁但係佢香港因為係唔完約咧，所以我亦都唔會即係俾高啲嘅 grade。咁就係呢一個。咁我覺得可以俾 second chance 佢嘅。咁我俾個 rating 就係 A 加。